If you have knee pain, going up and down stairs can be challenging enough, let alone trying to manage a cane or a walker while doing so. In this video, I'll show you how to go up and down stairs using a cane and or a walker. So let's start with the cane. This is the easiest way to do it. And you'll use the cane in the opposite side as the rail. So typically when you're walking, you'll use the cane on the opposite of your weaker side. But if you get to a set of stairs, just move it to whatever hand is opposite of the rail. Then you'll place the cane one step above you. Then let's say this is my stronger side and this is my weaker side. So you'll step up with your strong side and then come up. Move the cane, grab further up on the rail, step up with the strong side and push up, step up with the strong side and push up. Then coming back down, if the rail is only on one side, you'll switch the cane to the opposite hand, still hold on to the rail, lead with the cane down ahead of you, and then you're going to step down with the weaker side first. So if this was the strong side and this is the weak one, you'll go down with the bad, and then follow, move the cane in front of you, down with the bad, and follow, move the cane in front of you, down with the bad, and follow. So that's using a cane. Next we'll move to a two-wheeled walker. This has wheels on the front and then skis or tennis balls on the back. Now this one has skis. There are a few different ways that you can manage this. One way is that you put it sideways. So you come up to the stair and you just lift and turn it sideways like that. And then you'll place one part of the walker on the stair in front of you, use the rail, and then step up. I actually turned it the wrong way. You turn it that way so that the walker's on the opposite side of the rail and move it all the way to the crease of the stair. This one's a little wider than a normal stair at home, but you'll move it all the way into that crease and then press up. Then you'll move it up again, make sure it's all the way into the crease and press up, move it up again, make sure it's all the way in the crease and press up. You can see that gets a little bit difficult with it coming up behind you though. So I'll show you how to come down like this and then we'll move to a different variation. So you move it down, push that back into the crease of the stair, and then come down, move it down, push into the crease of the stair, and move it down, and push into the crease of the stair again. Now what's easier, a lot of walkers fold up rather nicely, so you just fold them inwards like this, and like that, and then put it in one hand, and essentially it's like you're walking up with a cane again. You can put it into the crease of the stair like that, press up with this hand, press up with this hand, and then again step up with the strong side, and then move it, step up with the strong side, and then move it, step up with the strong side, and move it. So up with the good, down with the bad. So now we're going to put it one stair ahead of you. Again, kind of try to drive it into the crease of the stair if you can. That makes it a little bit more secure. And then step down with the bad and follow. Move it, step down with the bad and follow. And then move it again and step down with the bad and follow. And then you would just unfold it and continue on walking. So that was the wheeled walker. Next is the rollator. These are a little bit heavier, so it's not as easy to lift as the other one. Honestly, I would try to avoid going up and down stairs with a rollator. If you're at home, a lot of people I know have two walkers, an upstairs walker and a downstairs walker. So leave the rollator on your main living floor where you'll be using it more often, and then just have a cheaper walker up like this by the bedroom where you just may need it getting up in the morning. But if you do find yourself in a situation where you have to go upstairs with a rollator, the best way is to fold it if you can fold it easily and to move it like the other one. This one has a little clip handle, and I would suggest that you clip it even though it's a little bit inconvenient to do so. Clip it to make it nice and secure, and then pick it up as one piece just like you did before. Place it up on the stair ahead of you and push up, lift, and push up, lift, and push up. Just to let you know though, these are like 20 to 30 pounds. They're kind of heavy, so I would avoid doing it if you have to, if you don't have to. And on the way back down, again, move it down ahead of you, place it on the stair ahead of you, come down with the bad, move it, place it on the stair ahead of you, come down with the bad, and move it again, and then come down with the bad. So those were the tips for going up and down stairs with a cane, a two-wheeled walker, and a four-wheeled rollator. If you did find it helpful, make sure to give this video a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you get notified of our future tips. And speaking of other tips, here's another playlist with other balanced mobility tips for seniors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.